sequence. If I'm joining also, I'm doing in the same sequence. First is table 1, join table 2, join table 3. From table 1, join table 2,
Yes,
then
sir.
join table 3. I'm using in the same sequence.
Yes, sir. So
Yes,
first
sir.
table 1
For
and
table 2, for table 2, table 1 is left. Hello.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is equi-join or
Yes, sir.
But sir, we do the equal join.
I say select whatever you want from table 1. Join table 2 on table 1 dot column equal to
table
table
2
2
dot
dot column. Here table 1 is left for table 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here,
Yes.
which is left and which
Yes,
is right?
sir.
Table 1 is left
Table 1 is left and table 2
and table 2
is right.
is right.
Right, that's it. Yeah. Now again, if I say join table
Table
3 on table 2
Table 2
dot
dot
column
column
equal to
table 3 dot column.
Now in this, table 1 is left for 2, 2 is left for 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it fine now? Which is left for what?
That is clear.
That is
For
clear.
1
Yes,
is left
sir.
for 2, 2
Yes.
is left for 3. This is clear, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. But if I use like this, instead of this, if I write like this, now I said when you are joining table 3, you can compare either 1 or 2, right? Whichever is common.
Yes, sir.
If I say instead of 2, if I write 3 here, sorry, instead of 2, if I write 1, now which is left for both the
Table
tables?
1 is left.
1 is the left for both tables.
Yeah, now 2 is not left for 3. 1 is left for 2, 1 is left for 3 also.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now here in this case, 1 is left for 2, 2 is left for 3. But in this case, what is that? 1 is left for
1 is
both
left
2
for
and 3,
both.
right?
Yes,
One
sir.
is
Yes,
left
sir.
for both.
Yeah. Now if I use left outer join in any one of the place here, either if I use left outer here or left outer here, you will get all the records from first table and matching records from table 2 and table 3. If any not matching, you will get null values in both the tables.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it. Clear, sir.
Now in this you will get, okay, second case, what do you get? You will get, okay,
All the values from table 1.
let me, yeah. In this first case, what you will get? You will get only
Matching records.
Values.
only these records you will get. Where? Here in this case.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Here you will get only matching records in this. But in this case, if you use here, if you use left outer here or here, anywhere if you use left outer here or here, anywhere, no problem. Then what do you get here? Anywhere if you use left outer, what is output you will get?
All the records from table 1 with null values and matching.
All records from table 1. Yeah, you will get all records of
Table 1.
Table 1
And matching records from table
matching common records from
table
2
2
and 3.
Table
2 and 3. These things you will get. Not matching, you will get null, right?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because for 2 also, 1 is the left. For 3 also, 1 is the left, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
మీరు ఇక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేసిన ఒకటే, హియర్ యూజ్ చేసిన ఒకటే, ద మీనింగ్ ఇస్ సేమ్.
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes.
clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similar way, now opposite is what? Right outer join. That's okay. Now whatever terminology you use, left, right, full, then outer join,
Outer.
like that you can. Okay, ma?
Sir, in the above example, if you use right outer join, then we will get table 2 records, right, sir?
The right outer where you will use. Again, you have to see when you are joining here, what table is left and what table is right. Now, in this case, if I
Table
use
one.
instead of left outer, if I use right outer, for table 1, table 2 is right?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Table 2
So
is
from
right.
table 2, you will get all the records.
Yeah.
Then again, what are you using here?
Table 3.
Table 3.
Three.
Are you using any right outer, anything join or simply join?
Right.
Sir, tell me the both conditions, sir. If we use right join for the table 3, then also we will get all the records of
2 and 3.
2 and 3. 2 and 1 maybe.
ఏం రాయమంటారు చెప్పండి. Select column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, whatever it is. From table
table
1,
1.
join table 2 on table 1 dot
Table
column
1 dot call, table 2 dot call.
column, join
Table 3.
table 3 on which table you are joining here with the table 3?
Table 3 same table 2, sir. Or otherwise table 1 dot column is equal to same query we can use.
Table 3 dot. Okay, you want to join table 1, huh? Okay, but what join you want to use here?
Right join, sir.
Right outer join table. So now which is the right table here?
Table 3 and
Table 3 is the right outer. So table 3 you will get all records.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Table 3 you will get
All
All
records.
all records. Now table 1 and table 2 is
Matching.
Matching
matching
Matched
records and
matched
nulls you
right.
will get from both the tables.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now in this case, what do you get? All records from
Table 3 and
Table
matching
3.
records from table 1 and table
And
2.
the matching records from
matching
table 1 and
records
table
from
2.
table 1, table 2, as well as nulls. If any remaining
Invalid
fields,
are present,
remaining
cancel
rows,
this.
you will get null values, right?
For table 1 and table 2, sir.
Yes, both you will get null value.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
na? Yeah, is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so this syntax you remember always. So what is the syntax when you write join? Yeah, what is the first step you have to do when you are using join? What is the first step? You have to identify
Common column.
common column. Okay, the common column is that the column which has common values. Values are important.
Yes, sir.
Values. The column which has common values you have to identify. Then you write, select columns from table 1, join table 2, on condition, join table 3, on condition, join table 4, on condition. You can write a number of conditions like this. But when you are using join, either you can use left or right or full outer join. Okay. If you don't use any of these things, by default it is equi-join. By default it is equi-join. Okay, na? Right. So when we will use joins, when we want to select data from 2 or
More
than 2 tables.
3
More
tables.
4 tables only, you have to use join.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That means the point, okay, you should remember when you are selecting columns, for example, in this name and date amount, if you see, name is from donors, date and amount is from donations, right? The select columns are from 2 or more tables. Select columns are from 2 or more tables. Then you are using joins. Okay, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now let us take some other concept here. This is also, let us take two tables for example. Employee ID, employee name, designation, phone, email, like that some table is there. Projects, project code, employee ID, start date, end date. Let us take employee ID 1, 2, 3, 7 employees are there. Project code P1. This project employee ID 2 is doing. Okay, this is P2 project. Employee 2 doing P2 project. Employee 1 is also doing P2 project. Employee 3 is also doing P3 project. Employee 1 is doing P3 project. Employee 4 is doing P3 project. Employee 5 is doing. Okay, if I ask you a question, I want all the employees who are doing projects. I want all the employees who are doing display all the employees who are doing projects. That means who are in the projects. But here in this also, if you observe here, I am asking to select only employees. Did I ask you to select anything from projects?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, right? I am asking to select only details from employees. But how do you know that which employees are doing projects? By seeing this, you tell me who are doing projects.
Employee ID.
Yeah, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Can I say something like this? If you write 1 minute, select star from employee, where employee ID in, employee ID in 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Is this okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
This is okay, or not?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Select star from employee, where employee ID in 2, 1, 3, 4, 5 only. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, sir.
Because these are the only employees who are doing projects, right?
Yes, sir.
How did you get this 2, 1, 3, 4, 5?
ఏంటిది ఏంటిది నాన్న ఏంటిది నాకు అర్థం కావాలి నువ్వు అన్నది
How do you get this 2, 1, 3, 4, 5? Is there any SQL query we can write to get this 2, 1, 3, 4, 5? ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా SQL query చెప్పరామా to get this 2, 1, 3, 4, 5?
No.
Select employee ID.
Yes, ma, all of you. I'm asking, can you tell me the SQL query to get these values, ma? 2, 1, 3, 4, 5?
Yes, sir.
Distinct.
Select
Select employee ID
distinct of employee
where
from
project code not equals to null.
అయ్యా అదే
select
అక్కడ null అని. Select employee ID from
projects.
Project where
That's all
project
right.
code is
మళ్ళా
Yes.
వేరే ఏంటి? What is where?
All records.
Why do we need where? Simple, right?
Yes,
Select employee ID from projects means what do you get?
All the
All the records.
All the employee ID.
You will
All
get
the
this
employee
employee
IDs.
IDs, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
మళ్ళా వేరు ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఐడి నల్లు ఎందుకు? why unnecessary? What is this? Select employee ID from projects, what it will give?
it will give all.
Select all the employee IDs.
All employees.
This will give me all the employee IDs, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, can we combine these two and write together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We write select star from employee, where employee ID in. Can I write select
Employee ID from projects.
from projects? If I write like this, What is this will give me? Inside this bracket, what is this will give me? This will give me all the employee IDs from projects table, right?
Yes,
Emma,
sir.
Yes, sir.
2, 1, 3, 4, 5.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
How
Yes,
can I
sir.
say select stuff from employees where employee ID in 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5?
Yes, sir.
It's the same, right?
Yes, sir. Same,
Yes, sir.
This is what we call subqueries. What do you call it as?
Subqueries.
Subquery.
Subquery. So what is subquery? We are writing one SQL query inside another SQL query.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Query inside
So now
query.
this is one outer query. This is inner query, right?
Yes, sir.
Subquery is writing one SQL query inside one
Another.
SQL query inside
Another SQL.
another SQL query. No, one SQL query inside another
Another
SQL. These are called as subquery.
Subquery.
But you see, in this example also, see, I am having two tables data. Okay. But the point is, you are selecting data only from in the select statement. In the select statement, you are selecting data only from employees table, right?
Yes, sir.
But for comparison purpose, you are using projects table. But we are not selecting any data from projects table.
Yes, sir.
But whereas previous examples, if you see, you are selecting name is from donors, date and amount is from donations. The select in the select, the columns are from two tables or more tables, right? That's why we prefer joins.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe take some few seconds and try to understand. See, in the select statement, if the column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, if these belongs to multiple tables, use joins. That's all. If this column 1, column 2, column 3 belongs to multiple tables, all the columns are not from single table.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All the columns are not from
Single
Single
table.
table.
single table. These
Multiple
columns are
tables.
belongs to multiple tables. Then compulsory we have to use only
Joins.
Join.
Joins.
join. Whatever column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, whatever it is, belongs to
Same table.
only single table. But for comparison, okay, for comparing we use another table. Okay,
Yes,
no
sir.
problem. Use
Subquery.
Subquery.
so basic rule only in the, if you see here, if I am selecting, okay, if I want to select, let's say for example, I want to select employee name, I want to select employee name as well as, project code also. Then compulsory how to use what you call
Joins.
Joins.
join, right? Because project code come from project table, employee name come from employee table. Then compulsory how to use join only.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The previous one example we did. Here, customer name, product name. I'm selecting right my customer name, product name, some like quantity, city like that. Is the data only from single table or two or more tables?
More
than one table.
More tables.
More than one table.
More than two table.
More than one table, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, compulsory what we have to use?
Joins.
Join.
Because the select columns are there from more than one table, we have to use always only joins. Okay. But I want to select data. If you see this example, is that I am selecting any data from projects table?
No, sir.
No, I am selecting only data from employee table. But for comparison purpose, I'm using project, right? Because I want to compare employee ID here.
Yes, sir.
Only for comparison purpose I'm using. Then I will write subqueries, right?
Yes, sir.
So take another table. If there is a, okay, otherwise take the same table here. I want only employee names and their phone numbers. The same, okay, take the same table. I want only name of the employee and, or sorry, name of the donor and phone number. Who donated money? Tell me, I want only display
Donor name
Donor name.
donor
and
name,
phone.
comma,
and
phone.
phone number.
Who donated amount?
Amount.
Now, if I see this question, are you selecting anything data from two tables or only from single table?
Only from
Only from
table.
single table, sir.
Single table.
Single table.
The name and phone are only from single table, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Select
Select
name, comma, phone
Name,
phone
from
from
donors.
donors.
Where
Where
donor ID in
Select star
Select.
from
select star from
donation.
Tara.
donor ID
From
from
donation.
donors.
From
Donations.
Donation.
From donations.
donations. But what is this inner query will give you?
Name
All
and
the
phone
records, sir.
number where donor ID is same.
Inner query, what it will give? The inner
it will
query.
give all the records,
All
sir.
the records from donations table.
Who they donate the money, those records.
Only these IDs we will get. Kadamma.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
For all the
donor
records.
Donor ID.
Yeah, we will get only ID, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you get? 135,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The meaning is same, right? Select name, phone from donors, where donor ID in 135. These are
Yes,
only
sir.
3 people, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So here you can't write a star. Star raste is error, ma. Star raste error kada idi. This is error.
Okay,
Because you are comparing donor
subquery
ID with how you can compare with all the columns in donations.
sir,
Yes.
in subquery we can never use star, right?
No, subquery you always have to use only single column, right?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Where condition low, if I say where, for example, where donor ID in, I have to get only donor IDs, right? Only one IDs if I get, I can compare. But if I say star, you will get all the columns from donors. How donor ID will
Yes,
compare
sir.
with all the records? The syntax are logically mismatched, kadma.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is the column you are using here? Donor ID. So donor ID should match only with these IDs, right? And now this inner query will give me what? This inner query will give me 1, 3, 5, right?
It showed all
Now
the
select
data
name.
of donations, right, sir?
Huh?
All the data of donations with donor ID column, right, sir?
135.
Yeah, if there are more data, then it will go, give also like 6, 7, 8, right?
Yes.
Only
Yes,
for
Yeah, we will get only, if it is there, we will get only, only donor IDs we will get, right? Whatever is available.
yes. Okay.
Sir,
We will get only donor IDs which are available. Kadamma.
Yes, sir.
If I write star here, is it correct syntax?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Select star from
No, sir.
donations.
No,
Right
sir.
like this. Is it correct? No, right?
No, sir.
It will show the error.
Because this will give all the records, right?
On the table.
5,000, 5,000, 8,000, 1, 3, 5, everything you will get. But how when we use where condition, one column we have to compare only with one values, right? I mean to say,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
yeah, how you can compare with multiple values? Confusion kada, where donor ID in 5,000 atlo ledu kada, there is wrong, right?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir. Yes.
Okay, and if I select donor ID from donations, then we will get only this donor
Donor
ID
ID.
donation.
Which are common.
Yeah, why I am using in condition? In is used
Sub.
when you have multiple values, right?
Yes, sir.
If the subquery returns only single value, assume that my subquery returns only single value. Then you can use equal to kadama, then you can use equal to, right?
Yes, sir. Only one value.
Yes, sir.
Only one value nappudu you can use equal to gani, greater than gani, less than gani, you can use.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Got it.
Yeah, because the inner query returns now here multiple values, that's why we are using in. మనం
Yeah,
first
yeah.
we learn right in operator.
Yes,
In
sir.
all these values. If I want all the employees from Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai means we say where city in multiple values we give, right?
Yes, sir.
Idade kada ippudu now this inner query will give multiple values in all these values.
Yes, sir.
Ade if inner query returns only single value,
Equals.
Equals to.
question I'm asking here. I want all the products whose price is more than the average price. Ma'am, I want all the products which price is. Come on, I want all the products which price is more than average price.
Greater than.
And first I have to know what is average price, right? Select. We must select AVG of price
Average
for
of
products.
price.
What is this will give, ma?
Average price.
Average price.
Products.
Average price is how much? 28.86634. Okay. Then now, if you know the average price, then I can write select star from
Products.
products where price greater than this number. The meaning we will get all the products which price is more than this 28.86634, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But how did you get this number? How did you get this number?
Another query.
So inside this I should have written. Instead, see, earlier what did I do? First I wrote select AVG of price from products. I got average price.
Yes,
Then
sir.
I am writing one more query, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Instead of that, can we combine both the things?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Select
Subquery.
AVG of
AVG of
Average of
Price
price.
from
From
products.
products. Now this inner query will give me average price, right?
Yes, sir.
It's my inner query will give me average price.
Yes, sir.
Oh, all the products whose price is more than this average price. That's all, right? When you run this, so you got the 25 records, right?
25.
Yes, sir.
So inner query will give me some output. That output is input for outer query. In this, which query is executed first?
Inner query.
Inner query.
Inner query.
Inner query. Output of inner query is output.
Input of another query.
Input for outer query.
Outer query.
So always
Correct.
that inner query column name and the condition where condition column name should match, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Sir.
it should match, right? Otherwise, if you are comparing two different columns, it is mismatch. It will never matches.
Yes, sir.
అందుకని